Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Just figured I'd come on here, TGIF in the afternoon. Say hi to everybody. Wish you all an amazing weekend. Show you what we did here in the MOJO Day Trade room here for the day on Friday, and how just we love to trade and what trading's all about, how you guys can get involved in trading and get some studies in over the weekend and see what's going on with that. And let's head over to the Mojo room, say hello to the team over there. Here we go. That's the one I wanted to see. It's the Thanksgiving. Make that day hot. Find that so I could change it. Visit our website and become a member. Holiday special. Just one holiday special. I don't have to change it. Beautiful. You guys enjoy that. Let me show you what went on and what was hot in the stock market today. What we did in the Mojo room, because time's on our side. We just gotta, oh, look, here's the new Skittles trade play. What is that? Let's check it out. What it says is, ooh, look at them Skittles. Whenever I type out 3 consecutive numbers from a stock going higher, you buy on the third one, and it's been journaled 500 out of 500 times, it continues to go higher. That sounds pretty simple. Oh, here's an example. Look at those Skittles. 665, 670, 680. So you would want to buy on 680 and it probably go right through 7. Oh, here's another example. Arcadia, here we go. 283, 84, 85, 86, hit buy right there. Then it goes, look, 87, Skittles, 91, 92. Mojo Power selling 309, sold, look at that, all the way to 320, 340 from the Skittles trade play. It really works. And stock we just took a looky at here was OPGN right here, OPGN. Stock was moving higher at about 123. Still the same, about 125, 123 right now here on the main screen. This is the TFS platform right here. And stock's 123 by 125. It made a run up to 131. Was the high after that pick right there in the Mosh room. So this guy is a Tweety. He got a new pick right here. He just wanted to check in with the teacher. I guess that's me, right?
Yeah. Well, yes. Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
After he completed his 3 buy-ins for his swing is up 7%. Absolutely. Are you guys up 7% in your swing? See, what happens is I showed out this morning. Look. Let me show you. See, right now, you'd be like, oh, take profits. I got you. I hit you the biggest winner, but the stock hasn't even moved. What's 7%, right? So I get this newsletter. Right here. And it says, it's from Jason. And it says, look, 2 weeks ago, I delivered on my Fast 5 and Furious, talk about a big move. DMPI, I alerted it right there. And in 11 days, I made a quick 11% in 2 days. What is that? 11%. And the stock is down 4.4%, showing this right there. And doesn't even show what the volume is. So with all those members, how do you know the majority of those people won or not? You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to show that he's doing good in that one. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get some UV right there. Guys, UV took a little dumping right there, so you should definitely keep an eye on that. Just got a little bit of UV at the stopping station. Here's UV. Been trading that one pretty much all day. And we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin may do good this weekend. Right here, what's this one? Over trading. Have a rest. Don't let yourself kill you and your account. That's good advice. The Mojo room for sure. Then we have first day of trading since rejoining, made $384. I got to run for the rest of the weekend. Good, you go enjoy for the rest of the weekend and go recharge them batteries. Excellent. Good idea on that. That makes sense. We don't hold anything through the weekend. No, actually, if you have a swing account, that's what for swing trading is. No, not in the day trade because time's on our side. But in the swing trade account, you should have two accounts, one day and one swing, and get that set up like that. And then UV was spiking right there. We would pitch back and forth with the UVXY today and EYEG. But our big trade was on EXPE. I'll show you. Up. Morning, see EXPE 95.22. Right now it's 96.50. I knew it was going to go. It's the only stock we really traded today. Look, EXPE, see? Straight up, guys. It just started the rail grind at 95.50. Now it's a point higher than that. Take a look at EXPE today. Really the stock that we traded. You could see it's 96.46. Done a big move, beautiful all day long. See right here, this is where we got in at the open. It dipped, we got in it, made two nice spikes here, then it made another spike, and then it made another spike, and we finished it about right here. So we bought it here, sold it here, 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 and then we were done with it, and now it's just making an extra move. Just like it was on the downside, it's doing it now on the upper side. It's 3:17 in the afternoon, so we really loved the EXPE today. That was a great pick in the Mojo Day Trade room. I was on it since this morning. Account calamity. This guy, all he does, this guy right here is an account calamity. What he does, he falls into the craps table and the dice comes out of his hands and he gets craps and he wins all this money. Yeah, right? And then he rolls out craps, and then you trip into the roulette wheel and you land on 13 red and you had your chip on that. Or your missus pushes you into the slot machine and you hit trip sevens and you win all this money. That's what he's doing. He's like an account calamity, you know what I'm saying? Yep, story. So we got some good things that happened. We got a Black Friday sale that's really special right now I'll show you right here. I think this is a great pick. It's called Emerson Radio. It's got 21 million in the float. I think it's going to do a push above this 114 from 83 cents. That's not a 10% move, but it's a huge move, and it may even get bought out. So when I do a pick, it's not DMPI from 70 cents to 77 cents, 10%. No, it's from 83 cents to like $2. 100%. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see. Hope you're doing good at Eagle Trace. This is the trading on a little small account today. EXPE so far. UV, ZM made 162. Got that up to 273 on the day. 273 from that. Finished on a beautiful beautiful account right there. This guy, Pro Trader Latino, welcome to the room. Like having you. And this is that move right there on that DMPI, 11% in 2 days is just utterly ridiculous. Done for the day. Renteria, he went to go play some golf. Great job. Here's some good trades that I made from this morning from Siri at 9:30 right here. I bought it at $6.99. I sold that Siri right here at $6.98. Lost a penny. Then I got EXP 94.75 under 95 and sold it through 95 right there. Real nice. then I did a small trade on ZM, UVXY, did a good trade on UV there, and the last good trade on EXPE right there. So that was some nice trading on EXPE. Here's another good trade. Bought 50 at 95.31, 50 at 95.29, sold it at 95.54, 95.62. That was at 10:30. Yeah, I could have been in it for a little bit of a bigger move, but I wasn't. And then Charlie Brown's interested in that student program. Absolutely. Let me show you what that is. We did good in stage stores today, guys. Stage stores did real good today. The SSI, if you didn't trade SSI, we traded SSI real nice today. Real nice. And we traded ASLN real nice on ASLN. Big spike up move. The stock went from 50 cents to $2.50. That's a big move, folks. Not from 50 cents to 55 cents. From 50 cents, a dollar, to $2.50, folks. That's the kind of move that we're in right here on ALSN in the Mojo room. Here's the history of the halts on it today. Halted, halted, halted many times and resumed from 743 all the way down. We're in the trenches in this room. We get everything, man. We don't miss a heartbeat. ALNA was doing nice right here through 2. That one went through 2. It's called Alina Pharmaceuticals. Then we had another nice spike. This is the second spike that we witnessed in EXPE, looking really hot. Another trade from 95.25 to 29 to selling at 55. Another great trading, buying the dips and selling the rips. RBZ came up on the radar. Don't think, just join the room. Absolutely. What else? Nice trade. I got it up a little bit more to 234 right now. Some more nice trading on EXP. Sold 94 into 72 from the 35 buy. Beautiful. Just showing the traders are there. They're on everything. He's with me on every single trade. Same on every trade, but just with a $71 profit. That's all. It's happy, happy, man. That's what we do. What else is moving? Then it was lunchtime. All green on the day. That's a beautiful chart. It's the one we were in. Where is those? Looking for the trade net. Let me search right here. This is the trade net right here. If you want this Black Friday, so check it out. They got this intro program where you're going to come into the Mojo Day Trading chat room. We're going to trade together. It's the same platform I'm using. I'll share my layout with you and I'll coach you to profitability on this intro program. You're going to get a $14,000 account. The price it's going to cost you is $335. You join the program. You get a maximum loss of $700 for the account. So it can go down to $13,700 and then you stop. You get 70% of the net profits that you generate. Once you grow the account to $2,500, I just made $250 today. So after a month, this one will upgrade to the next one. You go from $80,000, $24.99. You get a $4,000 max loss down to $76,000, but you're at a $500 max loss for the day. So the most you're losing is $500 and they shut you off. You come back to trade another day. So it's very nice. And as long as you're more profitable days and have a system, this really will work for you. You get $80,000 funded account. You get the Mojo Day Trading course. You come into the room. And then you can go as high as even higher than that to $160,000 and then $240,000 and up to a 95% payout. And it's very, very nice. And they deliver the funds, guys. So the guys that are in that, great job, super trading. The guys that aren't are these guys that I got out of the room because I'm just sick and tired of them coming day after day after day, and I give them winner after winner and they don't even answer me back. And I'll show you what that means. See if any of them are like penny puncher right here. Look, this is what I'm talking about. Look, since last Tuesday, made 103 grand. Then he comes back and makes 6 grand the next day. He still doesn't answer me. He still doesn't answer me. Then I showed him another $30,000 win, and that's penny puncher. See that? So penny puncher is banned from the room. Gone. He's done. The Saint, I don't think I've ever heard of him before. Yep, the Saint, he's been here since last Monday. So if you can't reply back, this is not a free chat room, and you'll have to split. If you want to become a member, email me at info@mojodaytrading.com. Okay, that's what I'm talking about right there. So like this guy, Dark Moon, see how many times I've done him too? Look, so many times, showed him so many profits for so many days. He's going to be gone too. So I'm going to get both of them out. And that's Dark Moon. And that's Saint. We got to clean up house here with the Saint. I'm going to ban the Saint. And Rixard right here. See this Rixard? Look how many times I've done him. 1 million. And I've given him all this stuff. He never answers me. So him, he's done too. A Tucson bird. Hi. That's how it starts off, folks. Come to the room and I'll say hi. Just answer me back. Edward, hi. What else we got? Fun Trade, yep. Jay, this guy's new. Hi. Hey, Jay. Yeah, I'm going to say hello to you when you come to the room. Moneymaker. He's been here so many times. Look, I've shown him so many profits. Oh, I got to check that guy out. Let's see what else is going on. All right, but otherwise it was a good day. Cleaned up a little shop right there. Let me jump to the present, see what we got going on. See, so I kicked all those people out. That's nice. SSI, that's Stage Stores. It's still going. 480 into 5. Wow. I came up in my research yesterday when I was doing my swing picks. Right here, I got a couple new swings. Got this Rumble, RMBL, OTC. Got some real good ones in there. Rumble on. You ever heard of Rumble? Rumble on? Me neither until last night. RMBL. Rumble on. Very interesting. CGC's looking strong. 1873, guys. 1873. Pretty nice. What do we got? It's 3:29 in the afternoon. Oh, we got a little message back from Jay. How you doing? Nice. You a day trader? Tell me about yourself, man. Let me help you. Yeah. Let's see what else is going on with the stockies. CGC the same. UV the same. Let's see what's hot and not right now. All right, so what's hot? Top of the list is AXGT. Look where it started here this morning at 475. I'm on this middle one and this chart right here, guys. That's this level too. Be putting them up from the high-low list. That's 577. Kern 677. One's 577. That one's 677. That's pretty nice right there. And then you got the VSTM 112 by 113. Vast Stream Oncology. There's been a lot of oncology stocks in the last couple of days that have done pretty good. OPGN 127 by 8 now went to 131. Put that one out before in the Mojo room. STNE Stone Cloud's been doing good all day. Look at this one, up trekking all day long. Strong as a beast. I'm going to switch to the 15-minute charts on these so you can just see a nice steady OPGN. Look at that. Beautiful. Little, we slide this, get a little better scale on it. Right there. Beautiful. And then you got STNE. Look, solid trek up. Nice rail grind line right there. IRA, 262, not at the high. I was going to get that at 255 before, but it would only move the nickel on me in 5 hours. Octa was a 408. Ooh, it's 423 now. That one would have went up 15 cents from my last pick in the room. ADMP, ARTL. Look at the daily, see what it's going to be doing for. Ooh, ARTL, daily looking hot. ADMP, breakout. ACPA. See this one, triple IV. Is I3 Verticals. That's a pretty good looking one. Pretty good looking one. And then you got the CGIX. That one came up today. I think that was at 480. That was 480. No. Yeah, a little earlier. Went back, went up through 5, and then it came down. No, it wasn't 480. HIB. HIB is 28.54 by 57. It's done nothing. In the open, just down. KZR is Kazar Life Sciences. Never heard of it. EVOC, definitely did hear this one. It's done pretty good all day. EVOC. And then OSMT is, well, right behind 6, but it's not a lot of volume, 200,000 shares. Going down the list of what's hot and what's not on all the stocks today. What do you got? Charles Schwab, nice little bounce on Vive. I'm stuck in Mayav and heard someone bought 1.5 billion puts on the March expiration. Wow, really? That's interesting. A lot of betting down on the SPY at 311. Touch 311 goes to 19. The daily, it's already been to 319. No, 313, 312. Yeah, look at that. Maybe we get an end of the day dump down, end of the day pop on UV. I like UV here. Mr. Schwab. Charles from Charles Schwab. He's telling it to. He's right to you. Charles Schwab's is telling you that, guys. You know, dude. If Charles Schwab tells you, it must be working, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I got some UV right here. There it goes, 1609. I'm gonna sell some UV. Like 12. And 17. Just gonna put in some orders and let it sit there. Right there like that. As I watch the SPY come on down, let's watch the SPY on the 5 minute, 2 minute. This is the nice platform, the TFS, guys. Here, see that? Get a little drop down and shh. All right, so that's nice. What else we got going on? Nice. You should become a member. And take my course and get a trading account. Make money every day. Ticket. That's the ticket, you know what I'm saying? It's the ticket. I got some good swings in there. End of the day. Good, I got these guys out of the room. Good. What else is going on, guys? What else is going on? Pretty much it. Wafu. Ooh, people are hurting from Wafu from yesterday. Down to 262 on Wafu. Can you believe that? And then you got, that's pretty much it. Really going on, guys. 3:36 p.m. Some great swing picks. Absolutely. They've been working out real well because we got time on our side, man. Got time on our side. Take a look at the swings. Let me take a look at those with you if you don't mind. All right, so we got the Dow's up 107. Here's the swing picks. Every time we make a change, people are going to get notified. So these are my new ones right here that I just put up tonight. And this is what we got right here. So we got the Cinecore, which got triggered. Pick was 160, but got triggered there. VLRX went to 155 today. It is up 5%, so that one's probably going to go higher today. Got higher now, guys. See? I'm not saying, oh, yeah, sell it. I made you a 5% winner. No, it's going up. Look at these other ones. Average one, 27%, 23%, 38%, 55%, 22%, 14%. Look at that, 20%, 74%. These are the winners, guys. Jaguar from 74 to $1.15, not from 70 to 77. Bingo from 86 to 105. Tops even won on that one. SVRA 76, not to 80 to 94. Avenger, boom, boom, is at 144 now. Sold it. It's at 120 from 125. It's 144. See that one? And this one's New Vectra. Right there, lost on that one, 20% on these, but won back on all that. Overall, you're up, 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 baby. So we got that one up, and we got Crone, doing good on Crone today with the covered calls. Doing good on UVXY with the options and the covered calls. And that's it, just chilling on the other ones. You get notified on that. All right, here comes UV. What do I got some things in at? At 612 on UV, it's 10. I sell 300 at 12. What time is it? 3:39. Yeah, I'll sell some at 12 right there. And then at 17. I'll make more for today. Thank you. I own it at 607. I own it at. That's it. So we're just going to chill out, ending the day, ready for the beautiful weekend. How big of a stop loss to use on your day trades? We do a risk reward on every trade. I risk a nickel to make like 50 cents on the bigger ones. I risk like 2 cents to make 20 on the smaller ones. Nickels and dimes on the smallers, quarters and 50s on the largers. So easy, dude. Nickels and dimes on on the small ones, nickels and dimes. Those are the small ones. Then we go quarters and 50s on the biggies. Everything's a 5-to-1 risk reward minimum. I'm about to get out of UV. Went 10 and 11. Follow? That's how we do it, man. Mr. Big Bacon. He's gonna be pro trader. Big Bacon. You need to take my courses over the weekend, dude, and start watching so you understand all the lingo in the room. You want to see my sheet for today? Look. See, you need to do one of these sheets. See the pro trading system? 20 trades, 20 trades, 19 out of 20 correct. 20 trades, 19 out of 20 correct. Show you how to keep track and journal every one of them. You're a trading machine. Trading machine. Absolutely. But until you take that course, man, that's not, ain't nothing. Look at that, 96.75 now. New high on the freaking EXPE. Can you believe that? $96.75. We have a crypto trading channel too, guys. Come check out the crypto. Crypto channel's real nice. Got that channel. Got the swing trading channel. Come check out that channel. Got some good picks in there too. And the day trading channel. That's the channel we get the nickels and dimes and the quarters and the 50s. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's go. All right, guys, so EXPE is doing good. Show you some other couple going. CLVS from yesterday, the Clovis Oncology, went up to 872, doing unbelievable day after day after day, see? Did a V-band spike on the daily right here. And ever since then, it's gone straight up. Confirmed V-band spike right there. Absolutely. And then you got, what else you got? DMPI. Look, the stock DMPI I was mentioning on my show is at $1.09. They shouldn't have sold it at 77. Look, this is that DMPI. They shouldn't have sold it at 77. It's $1.08. Maybe I mentioned it. Maybe it's going up because of that. What did it do in the last couple minutes? It just went up in the last couple minutes because I mentioned it. Maybe it's going up because I'm talking about the stock. You guys see that? The DMPI? You see that? Things popping, $1.08. Talking about it. What I'm talking about. All right, guys. So I want everybody to have a really nice weekend. Study hard over the weekend. Have a nice, profitable, and relaxing weekend, and have a good, profitable week next week again, like we did this week. And until then, keep it safe and profitable. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Later, guys. Later. Hey, subscribe to my channel. You'll get alert when I go live. You'll get notified, and everything will be great. So listen, keep it safe and profitable, and take care.